Hi, this is Unnati Shah and I am a storyteller from Ahmedabad. And today I am back with my first story. Well, this story is very special and I'm sure everyone will be able to relate to it because as a student, we all go through this problem which I call it as report card crisis. And there are certain very typical ways with which children deal with it. So, are those correct ways, or are there any better ways to deal with the situation? Is something that we are going to explore in our today's story. So, I'm doing a picture story today, and the name of the story is I Am Not Scared, and the story is about a girl called Maya. Let's get started. Maya had got a big fat 0 in her math exams. And she had forgotten to get the paper signed by her mother. So her teacher warned her to get the paper signed next day, otherwise, she will have to call her mama to school, which was kind of a horrible experience for Maya so far. So Maya did not want that to happen and she got really scared. And then she got busy thinking how she can escape from this problem. She thought and thought and thought, and then suddenly she got a brilliant idea. She took out her school diary in which her mama's signature was there. So she decided to copy her mama's signature and do it by herself in the paper. So the problem is over. She opened the diary and looked at the signature, and as soon as she looked at the signature, her heart sank because it was a swirly, curvy set of some dancing letter which Maya cannot copy in even her wildest of the dream. So her first idea failed. Now, how she will deal with this problem is all that was going on in her mind. Just then the school bell rang and Maya left from school. In her school bus, she was again back to her thought process as to how she can escape from this situation. And she thought and thought and thought, and suddenly she got another brilliant idea. She decided to fall sick. Now, how one can fall sick? Well, it was very easy for Maya because whenever she takes bath with cold water, it was a sure thing for her to get cough, cold and fever. And then she will not have to go to school for 2-3 days, and once she is back to school, teacher might have forgotten about the test paper. What a brilliant idea, isn't it? And she was all set to implement. But then she thought, what if I will not get fever even after taking bath with cold water? So she had a backup plan. She decided to tuck onions under her armpits because she had read somewhere that if you tuck onions under your armpits, it's a sure thing to get a fever. So she silently went in the kitchen, took the onion and ran back to her room quietly. And then it was a time to implement her plans. So here our little girl Maya sitting in the bathroom with onions under her armpits. And she waited. 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes passed by. And do you think that she got fever? Well, she did not get fever. Fever to nahi aaya, but her arms and her shoulders started aching. And not just that, she started feeling scratchy under her armpits. So she decided to drop the idea of onion. Anyway, she hated the smell of onion as well. And now it was time to implement the second plan, to take bath with cold water. And Maya was all set. But this isn't came easy either, because the water was very, very cold. She just first tried to check the water with her fingers, and she just took it back because it was very cold. She tried several times. She gathered all the courage to stand under the shower, but finally she couldn't do that because the water was damn cold. And today she took quite long time than her routine to take bath. It was already dinner time, and so her mother started calling her for the dinner. She decided to drop the second plan as well, and she got ready and went for the dinner. At the dinner table, Maya was silently eating, all busy thinking now how she will escape from this situation. Her mother asked if anything is wrong with her, but Maya was so busy in her thoughts that she didn't realize it. She finished her dinner and quietly went in her room. While she was sitting in her room, thinking about how to deal with this problem, just then her mama came in the room and she asked, "Is everything okay, Maya? You look upset." Listening to this, Maya nodded, but tears started rolling from her eyes. And then her mother asked once again, "What is the matter, Maya? Why are you crying?" And just then, something happened to Maya. And then she decided no matter what, she will tell the truth to her mama. She will not be scared anymore. And she told everything about her math test. And what do you think what happened? Her mama got angry or she did not get angry? Well, Maya's mama did not get angry, but she really appreciated Maya for telling the truth. And she also agreed to sign her paper. In return, she asked Maya to practice maths more and pay more attention to it, to which Maya agreed happily. And now, Mama was not angry anymore and Maya was not scared anymore. And that is the end of my story. I hope you enjoyed my story and I hope you get the right way to deal with the report card crisis if you're a child or if you are a parent. I leave it up to you to think and take the right lesson from the story. Till the time, bye-bye, take care, and I'll see you around soon once again with another interesting story.